Shalom, my name is Meno Kalisher. I'm the pastor of Jerusalem Assembly, House of Redemption. Shalom to all those who will come to the conference of Chamada in Brazil, and hello from rainy Jerusalem. Behind me, in the far area, is Brazil. I would like to invite you to the conference in October, God willing. I'm going to teach about the prophecy of Malachi chapter 3. We are going to see that this prophecy includes the first and second coming of Christ. And the issue, where do you cut between the first and the second? Well, come to the conference, you will know. The other prophecy is Jeremiah 29 to 31. It's a prophecy of the new covenant. But how does God call it to the people? Do you know that as the people went to diaspora, Jeremiah gave them this letter and he told them, this is God's project for you. This is God's plan for you. Future, peace, and hope. We are going to see what is the meaning of chapter 30 and 31 and how the people knew about it. Come to the conference. We will study it together. May God bless you. I'm looking forward to fellowship with you.